Welcome to Spices and Aromas. I'm Rovina, back with another delicious Nativity special recipe, but this time I'm using lady's finger and hogplums. If you're lucky enough to find these locally grown lady's finger, grab them. They are in season right now and perfect for this dish. And the hogplums add a tangy buzz to this dish. Let's start cutting the lady's finger into larger pieces. The bigger pieces help them to hold up beautifully during the cooking, absorbing all the flavors. Before we start cooking, let's prepare the hogplums first. Wash them thoroughly to remove any dirt. Then take a pestle and gently pound the hogplums until the outer shell breaks up and the core is softened. We are going to follow the Tel Piyav method where the magic happens under the lid. I mean, we need to cook veggies by closing the lid and occasionally stirring it. If you have watched my previous video, you will know the drill. I just added the hogplums. Now I added 2 onions, 6 cloves of garlic, half inch ginger, 2 green chillies and 2 sprigs of curry leaves. It's important to prepare the hogplums before adding. This helps to release all the tangy juices during the cooking and makes the hogplums easier to chew when you are enjoying the dish. Give a mix and now let's add the oil. Pour 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Using coconut oil gives a very good flavor to this dish. This step is very important and the authentic method of preparing Tel Piyav. Sprinkle some coconut. I have used half cup of coconut. Please do like, follow and subscribe to my channel for all the updates on my upcoming videos. While cooking veggies, remember to cover the vessel with a lid. The veggies release moisture in the form of steam. The lid traps the steam, undergoes condensation and the water droplets drip back into the dish, retaining the natural flavors and the nutrients that are released during the cooking are not lost. Season the dish with some salt to taste, give a good mix and wait until it's done. You would have noticed I have not added any water to this dish. Since the vegetables were fresh, there was no need for me to add any water. In case you feel the veggies are dry, you can add half cup of water. You can see the color of the vegetable is turned to light green, indicating that our dish is ready. Thank you for watching this video.